Hi, today we're going to test the Trio Kenwood model number 9R-59DS. This is a communication receiver, totally vacuum tube valve based from 1969. It's a very nice receiver, very sensitive and highly desirable among the community of amateur radio. So we just walk through and I'll describe you the features. So this is the main dial here where you can choose, and this dial works with this, and this is the band spread on the top. When you move, you have the band spread over there. So you choose the frequency here, the meter band or megacycle, and then you spread with that. And from 550 kilohertz to 30 megahertz is distributed in four bands. You can see here band A is a band selector from 0.55 to 1.6 megahertz, 1.6 to 4.8, and 4.8 to 14.5. And here you have a sort of overlap here because you have the band D from 10.5 to 30 megahertz. And this is the antenna trim. Basically it's an antenna tuner, so when you plug your antenna, so it tunes a little bit with a high Q. You have to see where is the high noise. This is AF gain, this is the RF gain, this is the audio frequency gain, means volume control, and here full, and here you can adjust. And this is a signal meter, S units, and here is the BFO frequency, so lower sideband, mid, and here upper sideband, so you keep it over there. Here are the function button, so SSB CW here, and if you use the transceiver alongside, you have to put on the send, and then and you connect from the remote connection from to the transmitter, and then you can when you transmit, then radio will disconnect from the antenna, and you are just transmitting. When you release the key, then it would receive. And this is a amplitude modulation, and this is a narrow band AM. So you have a sort of filter inside for the narrow band also, because AM on the long wave and medium wave is 9 kilohertz, where the short wave is 5 kilohertz. So you have to choose. So it's made quite rugged, and I can show you from the back side also, because it's also important. So I connect with the antenna. This is the this knob here is the zero adjust for calibration, and this is the earth. You can connect the earth. This is the antenna, 50 ohms balance, and this is for the remote. If you wanted to connect with the remote VFO, you wanted to connect with the transceiver, you can do with this. This is the audio output, so this is 0.8 ohms, and this is the 4 ohms, and this is the fuse, 2 ampere. It's a power cord, and it can be work from 120 to 220 also. So here in the Europe is 220, so it's selected over there. And you can see nice inside. I hope you can see the lamps are glowing, the vacuum tubes. So now we go through and try to tune it. Well, this afternoon here in the Hague, a lot of rain is ongoing, and local time at the moment is 24 past 4. So we'll be able to see some activity on 40 meter band, and 20 should be dead already. So we see on the receiving the amateur radio also SSB CW signals, and also the AM. So we have to go to select. Let's do from the AM basically. So here we select medium wave, and then we go. So I am in the urban location, a lot of noise, of course. So we see how it works. I have to mention this receiver, fantastic receiver. Doesn't have a built-in speaker. You have to add up the speaker. I'm using my external speaker here, so you'll be able to hear the sound. I can put it on the top, so it should be forward facing. This is a lot of noise on AM. Nobody broadcasts nowadays on medium wave. So we go to the 1.6 to 4.8, and then we see Then we are using the second dial here. Let's see, we start by around 80. Let's go. Antenna trimmer, so you tune it with the high. This is best. We have a CW station, very weak. We go to the segment of 4.8 to 14.5. Then our aim will be tuning the 40 meter band. So dial number 3, which is here. There is a CW activity there. Russians. Coming quite strong. This is FT8.
Hello, looking for the English language. Oh, well, sorry. Raining cats and dogs are very impressive. Of course, there are also a lot of people in the Netherlands who are English. It's absolutely marvellous, so congratulations. But that's a terrible slide.
It's the British station.
Speak your language, I'm afraid. That is a bring us to lead us somewhat in this country. I do speak a little, I could probably say, is that roughly it? I've probably got that from Afrikaans, I should think. Donkey and all that sort of stuff. I know one or two words, maybe, but not at all good, I'm afraid. And we're very atrocious nation of England. I do speak a little French, German, Spanish, but none of them that brilliantly. That's enough to make myself understood and get by. As for the rolls, well, I was only kidding. You know, I used to eat them. I did notice that they were a little on the sharp side inside the mouth, but what the heck, they're very tasty, and always used to eat them up without any problems. I never had to go to the hospital, so it wasn't that bad, really. Just a bit of blood here and there. So interesting on the last over, Kevin in Brighton was down to 5 and 7 to 8 for most of the over. He stayed bang on the same 5 and 9 plus 5 dBs, Martin. So I suspect the skip's changing a little bit. Maybe we're a little bit too close together at the moment, Kevin, for getting the best sorts of results. I don't know. Yeah, I care about the antenna there. It's 7 meters up with the Martin. Well, it's doing a great job. I mean, it's a very, very consistent signal, and the counterpoint is obviously part of the solution there. It's working well for you. Although I'm not sure if you'd need it on this band or not, really. With the length of wire you have out there, I don't know. But anyway, it's working very, very well. My antenna is just fed with 300 ohm ladder line. And so as you say, this is the name of the game for an antenna like this. But it has rather surprised me that I wasn't really expecting a very good DX antenna at all. Certainly not on the lower bands, but it has surprised me how good it has been on both 80 meters and 40 meters on FSC of working out the side of the world a few times, and that's sort of a surprise really. So but I was expecting, the UK near Europe would be pretty good, and your vacuum kind of feature up rather quickly. It's funny things, antennas. I mean, in theory, we could have no angle of radiation at all, hardly. And yes, I've had some quite good reports from places a long way away. So, all hard to tell, isn't it? And the weather there, Martin, well, we've passed it for you, I'm afraid. It's that rainy come from us, isn't it, Trevor? I think we can claim a blade there. Sorry to hear about the boy, Kevin, never mind. Never mind. Still in the shop, I'm sure. You keep your industry going there with umbrellas and prices. G4, CFC, CE2, BG, GCX, yes, standing by. Eingeschätzt sein würde. Schlaues noch so, da ist anders. Bei der hatte ich mich noch schauen, aber vermutlich auch. Ja, prima, ne? Ich werde mir sonst noch zurückziehen. Ich werde den abwehren, Leuten. Hier ist auch so meine Kaffeezeit. Aber hat mir Spaß gemacht, danke, dass ihr mich reingelassen habt. Na gut, dass jemand Pause macht, das ist oft so. Ich muss mal gerade ans Telefon, ich bin gleich wieder zurück.
By the way, I'm using the antenna as the end fed for 40 meter end fed. It's just like 5 meters from the ground. That's the antenna I'm using for receiving now.
Auf, ne? Ja, ich konnte jetzt den Tag nicht so gut mehr hören, da geht sehr viel Rauschen hoch, gell? Und bei der gleichen und da bin ich da, ich hab da immer all die Übungen.
Some Germans did this.
Da musst du auch noch ein bisschen dran umstellen, ne? Mit Laut, ne? Geht, ne? Meine Ohren, das eine Ohr ist noch zu, das pfeift. Und ich werde mir auch gleich mal das Bützchen holen mit heißem Wasser und mal inhalieren. Und ich habe das auch schon seit einigen Wochen und das will nicht weg. Und das
I feel this run to the boundary a few times in the match. And it was a bit of a slogger as well for 60.
And I did think about, going and trialing for one of the local teams around where I live.
But in the end, I ended up working stupid shifts, and that put paid to anything else that I wanted to do, including Saturdays and some Sundays. So that was the end of that. But the school PE teacher, fitness teacher said, you could practice. But it never happened. Anyway, there you go. What could have been was never there. Anyway, right, after me.
Let's see how it's receiving the AM shortwave station. So you see SSB is perfect, 40 meter band, very loud signals, very good quality. So let's go to the AM and
500 whiskey, 20 Charlie Diphone, 50 meter on the ground, like the bank. Mike 0, Victor Alpha Foxtrot, Delta Kilo 8, Whiskey Golf. Mike 0, Victor Alpha Foxtrot returning. My working conditions are an Annan 7000, running into a
warning signal.
I shan't hold it too long, so I've got some warning signals coming up on the screen at the moment. So thank you very much for the QSO, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Thank you. Congratulations for equipment, and thank you for nice contact. All the best for you and your family. Have a very good 2030 and hope you'll see us again. 73, Mike 0, Victor Alpha Foxtrot, Delta Kilo 8, Whiskey Golf. Thank you very much, Klaus. Thank you very much for this report. I appreciate it because the Annan is new to me. Take care. Bye. Thank you. Bye. 73. Thank you. 40, Delta Kilo 8, Whiskey Golf. Thank you. 40, Delta Kilo 8, Whiskey Golf. Could you please come again? 5 and 9. My name is Klaus Charlie Lima Alpha.
so the band spread is only for the amateur frequencies. You can see it's 80 meter band, 3.57 megahertz, and another 7 megahertz you have, and 14 megahertz you have a dial, and 10 meter band. And if you see on the main dial, so main dial, when you have amateur band, you have 3 spots where you have to put the main dial: in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. So that's how it's distributed. Now we're gonna see the regular AM stations, very strong. Some radio station playing classic music, I guess. It's very loud.
'n Es geht weiter im deutschen Programm von Radio Rumänien International.
This is a Radio Iran, China.
Like, what do you say to your boss? Like, if you happen to meet your boss in the bathroom, and my partner was like, oh, you want to try?
Oh, no.
I know. This is just joking. So you guys don't even nod when you see others in the bathroom?
It depends on the place you are in the bathroom. So if you're like washing your hands, it's okay to be like, hey, what's up?
Right.
But if you're at the urinals, for example, it's just like a, stay in your zone. That's it.
Why, do you have to concentrate?
It's not about concentration. It's an awkwardness. Everyone's got part of their body anatomy exposed that's normally in public, and it's not a...
That's true.
Yeah, it's a very strange
We don't have that problem. That's why you're probably
Ramazan. Sesi söyle. Alışveriş sonrası. Ne de her zaman yanında. Pazarım uygulamasını hemen indir. Fırsatları kaçırma. Yeni kampanyasıyla Ege Yapı Modern Yaka'dan ev almanın tam zamanı. Isparta Kule. طالبانو مشر وایي چې دا د شریعت ټینګه او د شریعت په چوکاټ کې هر څه کوي البته اسلامي شریعت نو که داسې ده دوی
Let's see, this is 20 meter bend, though not much activity.
بالحسنة فله عشر أمثالها
በጋራ ብዙ መልካም መስራት እንችላለን ያሉት ርዕሰ ሊቃነ ጳጳሳት ፍራንቺስኮስ
Seite, wo all diese Redaktionen auch inhaltlich liefern und Artikel und Beiträge schicken.
I wish really magic sure you like the body to see that.
I'm going to take those hearing aid out when I go in. And but what I found when I was all the best for your family, and have a very good 2020. 73, bye-bye.
By the way, I also noticed that signal meter and the band spread, the lights are not working. Only the here light is working. S meter and the band spread lights are not working. That is the status of the radio at the moment. Well, thank you very much for the watching. I hope you like it, and until next time, bye bye.